Sion HealthCare. Vision is one single word that means a world to every single entity, be it a human or a corporate. Without vision, nothing else matters much. And at Sion HealthCare, we underline the importance with all our commitment and core competence. Sion HealthCare is a WHO-GMP certified, closely held, professionally managed pharmaceutical company, manufacturing a wide range of ophthalmic formulation with experience of 20 years in ophthalmic product manufacturing and marketing. Our team, our trust. The heart of our vision statement at Sion HealthCare is our team, always energetic, always enterprising. They together bring a balance to the company with diverse qualifications, skill set, and yet united in their quest for innovation and dedication to the cause of excellence. We have people in our team who have dedicated their entire lives to ophthalmic care. Our infrastructure, our ingenuity. The infrastructure complements the vision of the management and the preparedness of the team with the state-of-the-art plant and machinery, conforming to the global norms. The company has manufacturing unit at Kerala GIDC, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The most happening city of the most vibrant Gujarat in India. Spread over an area of 20,000 square feet, this site is a tribute to our quality consciousness. This site is licensed to manufacture general category of products in the form of ophthalmic sterile preparations like eye drops. The formulations manufactured at the site are for human use only. The products manufactured are generics and patent proprietary. Our quality policy, our pride in action. A very responsible quality control department ensures the spirit of the quality policy translates to the action in the plant and operations. The compliances of quality audits is the most important aspect that we pay super attention to. We follow national WHO-GMP with ISO 9001-2015 guidelines to audit the quality assurance systems within the company, and the same approach is extended to our vendors as well. Our tribute to innovation, our lab of quality work in progress. The laboratory has been designed and equipped with facilities for chemical, instrumental, microbiological, and stability testing. Instrument room is temperature controlled. Microbiological area is provided with laminar airflow and other facilities to carry out limit tests, microbiological assays, sterility testing, water testing, and environment monitoring. The instruments used for the analytical purpose are operated and calibrated as per the respective operating and calibration procedures. Our products are ambassadors of excellence. Lubricating, antibiotic, NSAID, topical anesthetic, anti-glaucoma, steroid, anti-allergic, mydriatic plus cycloplegic, antibiotic plus steroid. Our domestic markets, our global presence, domestic dominance, international presence, Asia, North America, Middle East, Africa. Our mission of making vision of conquering excellence an everyday affair. When your vision matches the customer expectations and exceeds it in quality, on-time delivery, best response in customer service and zero tolerance to any laxity, the result is success blessed with satisfaction of having done your best.
For quality products, you have a vision of a doctor vision. So for this vision and this particular quality, we have started our Sion HealthCare in 2014-15, and our main aim is to provide a better quality products in the ophthalmic segment. We have recently accredited by WHO committee, and now we are accredited with the WHO-GMP certified, and right now we have faced a successful audit of Yaman, and we have a past audit of Ajanta, Indoco, and Toad, and there are so many ophthalmic players in ophthalmic segment. That is our main motto.
Sion HealthCare.